Greetings, app enthusiasts. Justin Z here with a review of the Macworld Daily Reader app for the iPad. You can see more about this app at the website below. Macworld is the app equivalent to the famous magazine you can find in stores. It has a very similar feel to newspaper apps, and it flips like a magazine instead of scrolling. The app is divided into sections, with each part having multiple articles to choose from. Each section is specific to certain needs, such as business, top stories, and iPod. Some sections enhance interactivity with scroll-down menus on products, software, and apps. With each product, you get a rating, price, and description. Each article has the standard interactivity abilities, such as bookmarking, sharing, and resizing text. The app goes one step further by allowing you to purchase items you were looking at. Apps allow a direct download, and hardware allows a direct purchase from the Macworld website. Software was more difficult to buy, but there are plenty of options on websites to go out and buy the programs. The app is pretty straightforward and doesn't have any noticeable glitches or problems. It functions smoothly and does what it needs to do. Considering magazine apps are always preferable to paper magazines, and the fact that the app is free, I would consider it very useful for Mac lovers. Check it out, you'll have plenty to do. I give the Macworld Daily Reader app for the iPad a 4.5 out of 5.